2, Red Stallion versus Queen City United. In field number 12, Glenroy FC versus CSTR Golden Eagles. Teams sa kinalawan, please proceed to field assignment. Pitches for Neutral Mix 2013. Please aware sa field assignment. Kailawagon lang, Coach Kuko. Kailawagon mo lang ang field assignment, pasensya. Because we have a 5 group sa Neutral Mix. Then we have quarterfinals.
Next game for Soccer Mom. Field 19. Stallion FC versus GPB. So rest 3 minutes GPB, pinagula pa. After 3 minutes, Stallion na yun. Next game, U17 Girls. Leon Kilat FC versus Ironwood FC. Please proceed.
Yes.
Ironwood FC, please proceed sa field 18. Ironwood FC, please proceed sa field 18. Pagpiling mo 1 rep, 2 minutes, default. Automatic default. Okay, field number 16. DB Magon FC versus Leon Kilat B. Proceed. U17 boys. Magon. Okay, nana Magon. And Leon Kilat B na lang. Nana po na Leon Kilat B. Thank you. Stallion FC, field number 17, after sa CCR and Julio Ledesma. Next game kamo, Stallion FC versus Stallion College A, field number 17. Field number 17 po, Stallion ay natingkat. Leon Kilat na sila, BB Magon FC. Ref, naka 2 minutes na natira yung 17. 2 minutes, okay. Coach of Leon Kilat FC. Wala ang Ironwood, default, 2 minutes na. So, winner by default 3-0. Next game, 3-0 na ang iyong kampwan. Leon Kilat FC. Thank you. So, take note. Coach of Leon Kilat FC, 3-0 on score. Next game, Tanghai FC versus Masbate CC Futsal. Tanhay FC versus Masbate FC. U17 girls, 2018. Field 18. Proceed. Masbate, wapang panitang Masbate. Yung po Masbate, dili na mo sa field 18. Amo na next. E default po nila ang next game. Kana. Thank you, coach. Amo na nasos. Again, Tanhay FC versus Masbate City. Field 18. Please proceed. User center. Stop on mom. Okay. Stallion FC versus GFC. Nagiging kabilang para sa kanilang 3 minutes. Coming. Stallion FC, Summer Mom. Thank you. Referee starting at the U17 girls between Masbate FC versus Tanhay FC. Referee.
Next game, field number 13. Group A, Trinity Coastal versus Lucia, Golden Eagles. Number 13. Next game.
Okay, U17 boys. Stallion FC versus Stallions FC. U17 boys category, field number 17. Proceed na mga guwapo. Again, field number 17. U17 boys category, Stallion FC versus Stallions FC. Referee, pakuan ng referee. Thank you. Again, minors lang. Dula rin laging sakto. Enjoy rin natin ang football. So, hindi na magpahinala sa init sa ulo. Okay?
A14, field number 13, Group A. Please prepare, next game. Trinity Coastal School versus CSTR, Golden Eagles. For Group B, next game, field number 14, Escalante FC versus Stallion FC. For Group C, field number 15, next game, Ada San Carlos versus Stallion College C, next game. Okay, proceed. Field number 13. Group A. Trinity FC versus CSTR, Golden Eagles. Field number 13.
U14 boys, proceed.
Asa mga ata?
Okay, soccer mom, JPP. We have 3 minutes. Nakahuway. Soccer mom, JPP. 3 minutes na, mga madam. Soccer mom, Stallion, FC, so 3 minutes, nakahuway ang JPP. Thank you. U14, proceed, field number 13, Group C, Ada San Carlos versus Tanyan College. C, proceed. U14 category, field number 13, proceed, Trinity versus CCR, Golden Eagles, Coach Maxi, Yukta, field number 13, U14 category. Anang referee.
Next game, Futbolitos, Dumaguete versus Casica, field number 9. Next game, field number 10, Siliman, Timpi versus Alex, field number 10.
Field number 13, U14 boys. Tara, presenta, liyog. Also coaches, liyog ka sa mga player. Para dili ka mag-delay. Mamaliyog lang mi. Huwag may mawala. Dagang salamat.
Next game, field number 12, Utah Mix, 2013, Trinity Christian School versus